Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and like our videos.
Cha mfethu ayikho into enjalo mfethu amavuvuzela ayangena akazi ivuvuzela izikhali wonke mfethu umcimbi amavuvuzela hlezi siwaphele kusuka nento awangangeni awubafuthi nidlalelani kodwa ngathi mana mfethu ubani osho njalo ubani osho lokho ubani othi amavuvuzela wangeni awunikeze security ngibuza ukuthi uthathe lo mthetho awunikeze security Yeah, Unjan Bab. Yes, how are you?
Alright, thanks for the talk, bro.
Good. Who gave you the instruction that you must block the vuvuzelas at the gate?
No, not us. We are ticket pro. We're doing the tickets with the security people.
Who told you? Who's that security?
I don't know who's the security company, but we are ticket pro. We're doing tickets, brother.
You are implementing the instruction from the guy that you don't know.
I don't know who you can speak to one of the security, the head of security.
No, there is no such a thing, my friend. Can you allow my fans to get inside?
Let me get the head of security and then you speak to him. We ticket pro. We're doing tickets, brother. We don't know about the.
No. This is painful. Don't do that. Don't do this, guys. Don't. My fans are going back now because of you are blocking them. Who gave you the instruction to block my fans? Yeah, boy. Yes, Baba.
I'm gonna find the head of security now and then we'll speak to him. I'm gonna offer this guy up yours and then
Please.
We're only doing the tickets, bro. But the security people is blocking the people here with the vuvuzelas.
Okay, please, can you find out who told you that?
Hello?
Yeah, boy.
Kuzani?
Yeah, boy.